Okay, we installed our 4-inch perforated drainage pipe. Now we're topping it off with our 3/4 inch clean stone. So we're almost done. Once we're finished topping this, we're going to cover it with more fabric and then just simply backfill the area. Some of our cutouts for downspouts. And as you can see here, we're almost completed on this side as well too. And our pipe is, we'll remove some of this all the way down the length of the house. We are all completed. So we ran our downspout. Here's a pop-up. Going to the side, underneath the deck, we have the sump pump that's around the corner. That's ran all the way through there, out to here, and eventually leading out to this area right here, where all the water is dispersing down there, and there's actually a sewer over there that drains out to. This is all the area that we dug. That looks practically untouched. Everything's nice and clean and mulched. Here is a pop-up, 2 pop-ups actually. One is for the French drain that's excavated outside the foundation, and another one is separately for the downspout. Nice and clean. Area we mulched over here. As you can see, here's another area. Pop up. And there is a Y connector that actually connects them 2 downspouts, leading out to the 1 pop-up. And all across this foundation here is where you have that French drain running downwards. And here is our last pop-up for the garage. That's it. Job well done.